I discovered this free Chinese ChatGPT that you can use for free and has amazing features that ChatGPT doesn't have. So if you want to know how to access it and how to use it, then watch the video until the end. Before we start, in the next video, I'm gonna show an amazing Chinese AI tool that no one knows about. So if you want to see the next video, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss it. And like the video to support the channel. And finally, the most important, join our free AI newsletter where you'll get the latest AI news and AI tools. And if you join right now, you'll get the 20 AI tools to use in 2026. The link is in the description. Let's start. To get access to this Chinese AI tool, you need to research for chat.z.ai. And once you've included your email, then you're gonna be right here. And as you can see, the interface is very similar to ChatGPT and is very easy to understand. The first thing that we're gonna do is to click right here, and the model that we're going to choose is GLM 4.6V because we'll have way more features that we can test. The first thing that I can do is to add files, whether it's images, videos, and PDFs. And after that, you can also research on internet, and you can also research with the deep think. And if I click on the settings, I have many different features that are not necessarily on ChatGPT. We have the image recognition, the image processing, the image search, and finally the smart comparison. We're gonna test the visual recognition. And on this AI, I already have many different examples that I can choose from. If I click on this one, we have this image. And as you can see in the prompt, it asks the AI to tell me where the photo has been taken. And now we can see the entire thinking of the AI. And so now it identified the location. It says that it's in Pingtung Island in China. And it's really amazing that this AI was able to tell me where this picture was taken from. And now the second feature that I'm gonna test in this video is the OCR scanning. So here I gave a receipt and I said, I want to record my expenses. Can you help me identify the information on the receipt? And now as you can see, it analyzed the image and now it's giving me the store and the location. We have so many information just based on this image. So as you can see, this Chinese AI model is very good to analyze images. What you can also do is to click on the video understanding. And right here, I included a video and I said, I want to learn how to become a blogger. This video shares tips on video production. Could you help me summarize its approach and content and also provide some additional suggestions? As you can see, the video is 6 minutes 48 seconds long and it's someone talking for the entire video. And now we can see the thinking of this AI. This AI is really great and is totally free. Of course, you can do the same with Gemini. It talked about the approach and the content with 5 key tips and also some additional suggestions. This AI literally responded within 20 seconds, which is really short to analyze this video. And you can do it with every video that you want. And now I'm gonna click on a replication and I gave this screenshot from X login page. And I asked to write the HTML code to replicate this screenshot. This AI is very good for coding, for analyzing images and videos, and it's completely free. We now have the preview and as you can see, it's literally amazing. This is the exact same screenshot with the same font and the same colors. It only generated 124 lines of code, and once you've done it, you can share it to X or to simply copy the link. And now what you can also do is to click on the settings and to activate the smart comparison. And now what you can do is to ask for the price of an iPhone 16 and click on generate. And now it's gonna go all over the internet trying to find the better price comparison for the iPhone 16. The AI finally gave us the answer and we have many different prices from many different stores. Because this is a Chinese AI, of course, it gave us the price in Chinese and it researched in China. But if you tell it in the prompt that you want the price to be in US dollar and to be in the US, then it's gonna research the same way, but this time in the US. I now modify the prompt saying, give me the price of an iPhone 16 in the United States. And now just as before, it's doing the price comparison. And I was saying that for an iPhone 16 in the US, it goes from this to this one. And finally, what you can do is to click on the visual report and I gave it a PDF about the robot taxi and I said, please help me interpret this research report, which business model are currently feasible. And now it's giving me the answer. And what's really good with the visual report is that when the AI is giving you an answer, it's also recalling the images from the PDF that you can access and really helps you understand better. Tell me in the comments if you knew about this Chinese AI. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.